What's going on, traders? Today I wanted to do a quick video about Tesla and my swing trading strategy and how to combine kind of multiple strategies. More like talk about the strategy. Then it's not really about Tesla. It's really about the strategy because I did this strategy on plenty of tickers. You guys, it works a lot in liquid, good stocks. You guys know I use the same watch list over and over. I just did this lines right now um, just so I could talk about what I'm seeing here. So this is my swing trading strategy, you guys. It's like on the downtrend, right? Now we've seen Tesla had a high of 488 back here, but let's look at the trend. We got high on the trend around 400, 420, right? And every time we got to bounce off the trend. It's on the way down, you guys, right? But I usually wait for this to. Let me show you on a weekly first, real fast. You can see what I'm talking about. This is the weekly, right? The white line's my trend going down, right? You see last week and then this week when it jumped ahead of the trend. Let me go on a daily real fast. Now you guys know I've been trading for almost 10 years. It's been about 9.5 years. So it's I'm gonna have my 10-year anniversary soon, hopefully, for trading. And there's only a few good swing trading patterns I like, and I do both. I day trade and I swing trade on some really good patterns. Yesterday or the I think the day before when this broke this. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, I took that trade, you guys, right? Did a starter position on this day, you guys, and I day traded that day. I probably took it in here. Watched it for the trend break, you guys, and then when it broke the trend, this is my pattern. Like, okay, for a swing trade, when it breaks the downtrend and it starts going up, and then I see like liquid volume, it has to go down like 3 times almost, like one, two, and then three. If it has like a third point, and then it bounces, but it has to break my trend line and come back and like stay above it or test it. This is when I get in for the swing. So I got in here, took most of it off, left a little piece for today, and this is what I wanted to talk to. Great date, like patterns within patterns, right? So this is a good swing trading pattern for me. Great, actually. I won like maybe 3, 4 challenges with this swing trading pattern. With tight risk, you guys, with really tight risk. So this is a great day trading challenge because we got that. First, we got the 200 MA, right, you guys? The bigger chart's a little bullish. We have, as soon as it opens, it drops below all the way to 271. Comes up here below VWAP. Like, has a little bear flag right here, a bear trap, I mean. So you guys always want to be careful. When stock, a lot of people short right as soon or sell right as soon as it goes under VWAP. You want to really come back and test it and come back down again. You don't want to just short right here. You want a little confirmation at least, right? So these guys got trapped. So it went up. This is a perfect play right here. One try and a two try, right? You guys know my bike pattern, right? Where I have a one try right here and a two try. Let me zoom back in. Okay, right here, you guys. Let me maximize this. If you're day trading this, right? You want to come back, come here, try it once, come down, try to get a new low. Couldn't really. Second try. Right here is it's a little complicated. It's not like all our two tries because you really want it above VWAP. So it'll be a one try and then two try, and then when it really tests above VWAP, that's why you want to slow it down, like a 5 minute, right? Get a clear picture. See, a one try, a two try, and then boom, the below VWAP, and then right here when it closes above VWAP, this is where you really want to add. Okay, so I would be like one try, two try, starter position, and then look at one try, two try again, right off of VWAP, you guys, and then you will look at this, right, the little breakout right here, and stayed above this. How I would hold it, I would keep holding it, and depend how if I'm swinging it or not, I would take profit along the way, you guys. Above here, it's going to fill the gap to right here. And if it breaks out right here again, what do we have? We have resistance. We have pre-market resistance. We have the morning resistance. And we have the 200 MA. Right now, we want to see a test of the 200 maybe a couple of times and maybe keep going. If not, it's probably going to keep going down. So if you don't get that, like, look at this pattern closely, you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, pretend you're selling this, all right? You're selling, or shorting this. Boom, they tried. You can't get a new low right here. There's a low right here, but they tried once. They tried twice, really, right here. But I consider this like a one try, right? And then they get a second try right here above VWAP to get it below, making you low. They couldn't. A few buyers, if you look at the volume, came back in, got it above here. Right here where it had a little resistance, right? And this is where it cracked right here, you guys. With not too much volume. And as soon as it squeezes there, you can see some volume come in. Then it took this. I'm pretty sure a lot of shorts covered above the 200 MA, you guys. So this we have new highs so far today, 291. This was a good play, you guys. I took my profits along the way, kept a little few tiny piece tomorrow. If it keeps continuing, my guess is hopefully it'll keep going and we could maybe test the 300 area possibly. Be careful, you guys. Very volatile. Tesla is very volatile. Today Nvidia didn't have my pattern, so I don't like looking at stocks when it doesn't have my pattern. And I was just like Tesla was a better opportunity, and what else did I want to talk about? Let's talk about PayPal, you guys. PayPal, to me right now, if I go on the weekly, you guys, you just gotta be careful because we're in a tricky market right now. So your traces, like your trades, get shorter and shorter in this type of market. Instead of holding like you gotta know which cycle we're in when you trade, right? See, this held the trend line, so we want to stay above the trend line, and you want to see momentum to the upside, you guys. Today wasn't really too good. Take you to a little daily so you guys could see on the daily. Just holding this trend. The problem we have the 250 MA. If we get above here, come back and test. You want to keep an eye on PayPal. Google AMD's been nice, you guys, but I really wanted to come back. See, same pattern on AMD, you guys. I traded that like a couple days too, right? Same exact swing trade. This is nice that this came up because I forgot about this. But this is another same pattern. I was watching this for like weeks, you guys, weeks. You know, my whole goal was for it to get to right here, to this trend line, but it never did, right? But we still had like a 1 try, 2 try, which doesn't matter. What I'm looking for is for the trend break. So the trend came, and look at you guys. As soon as, let me get it a little. As soon as it broke the trend line, came back, tested, held it, and now we're above the 50 MA. So eye on AMD because we got a little room, but you know the 200 MA is going down, the 50 is going down. It could continue back down again. You guys see my alert at 101. That's if it comes back and tests. Why I like the area because it's a $100 area, and then also around where the trend line is. So if it holds the trend line and the $100 area, remember area, you guys. We'll see what happens. If it takes out these new lows, I'll keep watching it. Maybe I'll get back in this channel. You never know, and then we might get a new buy. I got my alerts set. You guys want to set alerts and just chill back and give it time and let it work out for you guys. You know, let the like we used to say back in the day, let the stock come to you, let the trade come to you, guys. Any questions? You know what to do. Leave in the comments, you guys. I'll try my best to upload more videos. Doing free coaching sessions again, just a couple days a week, you guys. Email mytradecoach23@gmail.com. Smash that like. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Remember our motto, you guys. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.